Iparwa technology. Welcome to my channel. Lithium battery packs are more and more widely used in various fields in today's area. How to make lithium batteries last longer, how to use lithium batteries safer, and how to maintain lithium battery packs. Let me explain how to maintain lithium battery packs. Number 1. Charging. When choosing the adapter charger, it is still necessary to develop good charging habits, which is more conducive to prolonging the life of lithium batteries. Number 2. Discharge. In addition to not overcharging, over-discharging is not advisable due to the need to maintain the ability of lithium ions in the negative electrode and maintain the stability of the structure. Too many lithium ions make more move out, destroying the stability of the negative electrode structure, the irreversible damage to the negative electrode. Number 3. The battery pack should be charged in time after use and cannot be stored at a loss of power. If the battery has not been used for more than 2 months, the battery pack needs to be fully charged once. If the battery pack is planned for more than 5 months, it needs to be charged and discharged. Regular use of the battery. Regular charging of the battery packs during normal use and long-term storage can ensure the better use of the battery pack and prolong its service life. Number 4. Storage. Please keep the battery in the cool and dry environment. Allowable temperature range during storage over a period of 3 months, 0 to 25 degrees. Relative humidity less or equal to 75%. Keep the battery at a half charged state. Charge once 3 months. Lithium battery itself is a kind of consumable. No matter what method we use, we can't avoid its ultimate loss. As long as we use the correct method, we can delay its aging. Bye-bye.